Hello. You can say hi, Chloe.
NASA.
This is Kiwi. So yeah, we might be trading my neon parrot today. Oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Here, oh my gosh. I don't know, oh my gosh. Guys, I'm gonna do it. Oh my gosh. I did it. Okay, I just did it. I just did the train. Thank you so much, Kiwi. No problem. Okay, I'm really weird. Why am okay? Oh my god, I'm shaking. Traded my neon parrot. Sorry. Traded my neon parrot. Sorry. Whoa, is she like mad? I mean, she's been really rude to me because she's been rushing me to do the trade. That's why I didn't want to do the trade with her. I'm gonna unfriend her too. Okay, unfriend her. So much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just got a mega. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. And I still have this. I still have that. So like, oh my gosh. I'm gonna cry. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm gonna actually cry though. Okay, bye guys.